Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode. As you can see here, we cleaned up a little bit. So today's feature, I decided I'm going to change up the Honda Fits little body kit thing that I got. Instead of doing the blue accents, I'm just going to do them all gloss black and shoot some nice clear coat on them. So basically I'm just going to wash all these back up, paint the blue off of them, and then we'll stick them back on.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
so it's about 11:04. So we'll give it about 30 minutes to dry, and then we'll throw some clear on it, which basically is the same company, 2X gloss clear. I don't know if y'all could see that or not. Rust-Oleum. cabin. All black. Alrighty guys, let me know in the description box below if y'all like the black look, all black, or with the blue accents. Now I'm still debating on blacking out the badges with some plastic dip so it doesn't hurt them. And of course, we got some black wheels coming real soon that we're working on. We'll have some videos out for that. As you can also see here, we did some blackout badging. I went ahead and went all black here. I got some more to put back here, but we got the YouTube, and I got to redo this tint on the back window and that window there. Other than that, we're going to go with the blackout theme and just do some blue accents on the inside and then the out. I mean, inside the motor and inside the cab. So let me know what y'all think. That's it there. Thanks for watching. Keep it simple. Keep it sweet.